Welcome to our channel. Welcome to this space where everybody is somebody. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock, and if you have been with me all this while, thank you for staying with me. God bless you. May God remain subscribed to the channel of your life. Yes. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. Okay, please remember to subscribe to my channel at the end of this video, and always remember to give me a thumbs up. Yes, today we have come to the end of the month of April, and we need to come up with something that will help us in the month of May. Yes, because month of May is the 5th month of the year, and there are things that we need to put in place to make our financial life better, because the Bible said money answereth all things. Yes, so I want to show us few recipes what we can do. This thing I want to show us is something that everybody can afford, and you can access it wherever you are on the face of this earth. You can have it, you can get it. Okay, so very simple recipe. I want to show us on how to create abundance. Yes, financial abundance for yourself, to open financial doors for yourself, to attract finances into your pocket, into your account, into your business, into your home, into every aspect of your life. Yes, guys, if you do this religiously every first day of the month, you are going to thank me later. Yes, you see, in spirituality there are principles that guide us. Everything that you get, whatever you get, depends on how you position yourself, how you put yourself in that place, how you prepare yourself. That will guarantee what you will get. Yes, so guys, without wasting your time, I want to show us these things and then tell us how to do it. But before then, are you facing financial difficulty? Are you facing dried close heaven? I uploaded one video recently, how to attract breakthrough. How to remove to remove financial barrenness from your life. Or if you are experiencing financial barrenness, use this. Yes, that was the topic. If you have not seen that video yet, you can as well watch that video. It will help you. It's like a link to this video also. So it's in sequence, and today we will be talking about what we discussed in that video. We are bringing something and then we are adding something to it, and some principles of spirituality to it, so that you can actually attract money. A woman called me recently and was telling me that things have been hard for them. Her husband is finding it difficult, no food, nothing in the house. But they stumbled on my video. They watched one of my video where I talked about how to use coconut water to wash their hands, and the husband was working in a place where his appointment was terminated and things became hard for them. But when they used that recipe I discussed in that video, the husband used coconut water to wash his hand. That very week he got a contract, and they made a lot of money from that contract, and they forgot to continue. They just used once they got the result. She said things were rosy, things became so fine everywhere, food everywhere, they paid up their debts and all that. But after a while now, she's discovering that again, her husband is not seeing anything. I said, did you continue with that washing of your hands with coconut water? She said, no. I said, okay. In spirituality, you don't just do it one-off and go. You make it a part of you. When you make something part of you, whether the devil likes it or not, you will get results. Yes. All right, guys. Now, in this video today, I want to show us, what you will be needing. Yes, what you'll be needing. I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
You're welcome back. You see, I said I want to show us the recipe, what we need to do, to attract money for this month of May. Yes. Every first day of the month, you can repeat this. You understand? Then I will tell you what you're going to do with the residue of the recipe, at the end of the next month. You will do it again. Then what you will do with the residue. Yes. In this recipe, in this spirituality, you are going to be needing money. You are going to need money. If you are in the US, you can use the dollar bill. This is a $50 note, right? If you are in Nigeria, you can use Naira. This is 1,000 Naira note. This is 500 Naira note. And this is 50 Naira note. It depends on your strength. You understand? Because some people may be broke to the teeth that they don't even have this 50 Naira note. So any amount of money that you can use in this procedure to attract money is still okay. All right? So you are going to be needing cinnamon powder. Yes, this is a cinnamon powder. This is a cinnamon powder. Okay? Cinnamon powder. Wow, smells nice. This is cinnamon powder. You are going to be needing cinnamon powder. Then you are going to be needing coconut. This coconut you are going to use is the water inside. You're going to need coconut water, okay? You're going to need coconut water. So you open the coconut. You understand? Open the coconut. And there's a way you open this. You're not going to break it open, okay? You open it through the eye. You just open it. Coconut has 3 faces. There's the one that can actually open easily. So you open it through that place. Then extract the water. Get a small bowl or a small cup or something, a plate. Then extract the water inside. When you extract the water inside, I don't want to break this coconut now because I want to use it for another thing. I just want to demonstrate it to you guys in this video, okay? So you now take a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, okay? If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can use just your coconut water alone. Yes, you can use just coconut water alone, because I know some people will be saying, hey, Medilog, we don't have cinnamon powder in our place. We don't have cinnamon powder. How can we take part in this? My dear, you don't need to worry, okay? Wherever you are, your faith and your intention is what matters. That is the number one thing. Get your your coconut, then pour it inside that plate. You understand? Cinnamon draws money. Yes, it attracts wealth. When we say money, it means somebody can just dash you 100,000 now, and that is it. But when we say wealth, opportunities will call you on phone. Opportunity will say, hey, come, Chinedu, come, Oluwafunke, come and do this contract, come and do this thing, and you will do it and make millions. That is what they call wealth. You understand? So we on this channel, we are focused on how to draw wealth and not just money alone. You understand? Anything that gives you that spiritual standing, that spiritual positioning, where you attract wealth. Yes, that is what we want to do. So, guys, you will just put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder inside that coconut water. Okay, you are going to the starting point of this procedure is the cinnamon powder and the coconut water. Okay, put them inside. See, I've done this. I've tried it severally. Before I come here to review anything before you guys, I must have practiced it spiritually, and I see the efficacy before I come here to start telling you guys about it. Okay, so you take your dollar bill. You can use $1, you can use $5, you can use $50, you can use $100. It depends. After all, it's still your money. Okay, so, and you can use 1,000 naira note, you can use 500 naira note, you can use any denomination. You can use kwasha, ruby, pound sterlings, euros. It depends on the money you're using in your country. Okay, you can use riyal. Is it riyad or something like that? So you carry this money now. You mix that cinnamon powder and the coconut water. You mix it very well. Stir it together. Then you dip your money inside. You dip your money inside. We are going to use, remember I said in spirituality, odd number is very important. Okay, it can be, you can leave it in for 3 hours, you can leave it in for 5 hours. Okay, 3 hours or 5 hours, it depends. And even if it goes beyond that, but please be precise. Precision is very, very important. In spirituality, precision will make you to achieve results faster. Okay, so you can use, if you don't have that patience to wait for 3 hours, you can use 1 hour. Okay, just dip it inside the cinnamon water, cinnamon coconut water. Allow it there to stay for like 1 hour. 1 hour, 3 hours, 5 hours. Then you remove your money. When you remove this money, you are going to put this money inside your purse. You are not going to spend this money throughout this month. Okay, you will not spend this money throughout this month. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. This money will be in your purse or in your wallet. Put it somewhere where your hand will not go and carry and spend. Put the money there. Okay, then you can use any other money. So this water, the cinnamon water and the coconut water, you are going to add it to your bathing water and pray over it. Remember, I told us one time that in spirituality, when you add something to something, it becomes that thing. Yes. When you add something to something, it becomes that thing. When you take a bucket of water for bathing, you can now add this small combination recipe. You pour it inside. Use your middle finger, turn it together. Then you pray. Ask God, what do you want God to do for you concerning financial life in this month of May that is coming? Then you will pray over it, and then you pour it on your body. Okay, you shower with it. You are not going to use soap or sponge. This is a spiritual bath. And after bathing, don't use towel. Just allow your body to air dry. Okay, and by the grace of God, you will see abundance. You will see the manifestation of God in your life in this month of May that we are going to enter. Alright guys, till I come your way again in another video, thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Thank you and God bless. Bye. Love you all.